it's charging. So you
So
take
it's
it out,
like,
put your phone in,
yeah.
and then boom, you never have to go home and charge it. It's charging while you're shooting.
Wow.
It's yours now.
Measuring tapes help us measure distances and the dimensions of different objects. But a measuring tape doesn't work in every situation. Why isn't there a single tool that lets us measure everything? Now, there is. Introducing Bagel, the smart tape measure. Bagel lets you measure just about anything, at home and at work. Bagel has 3 different modes: string mode, wheel mode, and remote mode. String mode is great for measuring straight lines, curves, and around corners. Wheel mode lets you measure irregular or odd-shaped objects. And it also makes taking measurements with one hand much easier. Remote mode lets you measure objects that are far away and out of your reach. After you're done measuring, you'll need a way to record your measurements. Using pen and paper can be a real hassle. With Bagel, you can quickly and easily save your measurements with voice descriptions. Just take your measurement, push the save button, and then tag a voice memo to it.
Door of the Future radar.
When you're done, Bagel will send your measurements to Bagel's mobile app via Bluetooth. This mobile application lets you review your saved measurements and share them with your friends. Bagel is precise. It uses our patented technology to make sure you always get an accurate measurement. Also, Bagel has an easy-to-read digital display that's viewable in most lighting conditions.
In the past few years, all sorts of measuring devices have become smarter and made our lives easier. Smart scales, smart thermometers, and even smart watches. But when it comes to measuring size, we still use a tape measure which is more than a century old. Why don't we innovate the way we measure size? So we created Bagel, a smart tape measure. We put a lot of effort into creating Bagel. Our team worked night and day to make the best quality product with this friendly design. We have our final prototype that is ready for mass production. Now we need your help to deliver this amazing product to everyone. Please help us bring this Bagel to life. Thank you.
Size matters. Bagel.
Biking is healthier than driving and at the same time reduces traffic jams, noise and pollution. Cyclists are a vulnerable group and they have no protection against collisions, unlike conventional vehicles. 8% of fatal accidents in Europe involve the most exposed people. To cyclists, the road is dangerous. There is a gap in the health and safety industry for cyclists. There is no market that fulfills their needs. CycloShield fills this gap and takes a high-tech step towards a promising future. CycloShield is a comprehensive electronic system for passive safety, which helps commuters and sports people to have a safer experience on the road. CycloShield is equipped with a set of sensors that allows detection of accidents and falls. CycloShield is able to autonomously detect the approach or threat of another vehicle. In the event of an accident, it can contact your in case of emergency person and the local emergency services with your GPS location. This emergency call system vastly reduces the emergency services response time, enabling an almost immediate response to incidents on the road. CycloShield is the only autonomous device on the market that captures infractions by filming offenders. CycloShield is also focused on monitoring your sport activity, recording training sessions and improvements in your performance. You can view the data on your phone or download it to your computer via the integrated Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. CycloShield is compatible with the majority of activity monitors and mobile applications on the market. We are here on Kickstarter to transform this passion project into an actual device which will help cyclists have a safer experience on the road. We want to create a community of users who have all the tools they need within reach, without limits. And to do so, we need your help. CycloShield can change the way motor vehicles see cyclists on the road. Help us make the road a safer place for cyclists.
This isn't about making another ordinary charging station. This is about making a wireless charger that does more for you. We asked, for instance, why a charging phone has to lay flat on a surface. We answered with an improvement, an elegant wedge that allows your phone to face you, meaning you can keep messaging your friends and family, watching your video, playing your game, and continuously using your phone for whatever reason. Do anything you love without messy cables, uninterrupted, untangled. But Monoware wasn't satisfied with revolutionizing smartphone powering. We also challenged ourselves to create a worthy counterpart for your smartwatch. We even designed a mechanism that allows you to wrap cable up and hide it away inside the wedge with ease. A watch charger that can be a beautiful charging stand either on its own or as a complete unit when seamlessly combined with the power block. When conjoined, Monoware's compact shape makes it a breeze to carry around. Monoware is a portable charging station for your smartphone and your smartwatch. Designed with versatility in mind, a beautiful home charging station that moonlights as a burdenless portable charger. No longer trapped by messy cables, no more stressed by low battery sign. Keep yourself charged, untangled, unwired with Monoware.
This used to be me, starting another day with the same poor wireless connection. We all experience poor Wi-Fi day and night and never found a good solution. This has been my problem for the last 10 years and probably yours too.
Hi, I'm David, and I want to introduce you to Zeus Pro, the world's first non-electrical Wi-Fi amplifier.
With Zeus Pro, you can easily double and even triple your Wi-Fi range and also maximize your Wi-Fi quality just by mounting it on your router antenna. Zeus Pro focuses the Wi-Fi frequency to 180 degrees instead of 360 degrees. Most Wi-Fi routers nowadays have 2 or even more antennas, so when installing Zeus Pro you still can get 360 degrees Wi-Fi connection, but now with 3 times the range. And that's not all. It could be your old neighbor surfing on your Wi-Fi.
Get the hell out of my Wi-Fi! 5 minutes!
But it can be an unwanted guest. Wi-Fi is highly and easily hackable. By turning Zeus Pro and aim it to your private area, you can secure your wireless network from unwanted guests. Zeus Pro also increases your Wi-Fi connection speed by reducing interferences that block the Wi-Fi signal. And for the gamers between us, it reduces lags and disconnections.
Студия «Союз» прощается с вами. А альбомы всех исполнителей, представленных на этом сборнике, вы можете всегда приобрести в фирменных магазинах студии «Союз». До встречи!